As a respected voice in our nation, she brings a wealth of experience and insight.
Bawat balita may iba't ibang mukha. Magandang tanghali, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao.
Her commitment to journalism and news broadcasting has established her as a trusted figure, not only for delivering the news, but for fostering understanding in our communities. With a genuine passion for empowering individuals, she goes beyond the headlines, championing the cause of health and well-being. Her mission aligns seamlessly with our vision at Kaiser to help others lead healthier, more fulfilling lives. Cheryl Cosim's remarkable journey is a testament to resilience, demonstrating the power of compassion and tenacity. These values resonate profoundly with the spirit of Kaiser, and we believe they will inspire positive change within our communities and beyond. Together, we are excited to spark meaningful change, ensuring that every family feels cared for, protected, and prepared for the future ahead. Welcome to the Kaiser family, Ms. Cheryl Cosim.